Empaths don't just feel emotions, they metabolize them, processing every tear, silence, and vibration like emotional food. This intense processing is why you might feel decades older than your actual age, having carried not just your own story, but everyone else's too. If you've ever been told, you're so mature for your age, or you carry yourself like you've lived 1,000 lives, this video is for you. We're diving into why empaths emotionally age faster, the neuroscience behind that exhaustion, and how to turn sensitivity into strategy instead of suffering. There was a time when I felt 40 at 25, not physically, but emotionally, because when you feel everything, life gets incredibly heavy. It's not just the big traumas, but the quiet sadness in someone's tone, the loneliness in their laughter, or the unspoken tension in a room that weighs us down. Empaths don't age faster on the outside. We age internally through constant emotional labor. Today, I'm going to show you how to lighten that weight without dimming your inherent depth. Let's start with the body, because empathy isn't just emotional, it's profoundly neurological. Your brain has a set of cells called mirror neurons that fire when you watch someone else experience pain, joy, heartbreak, or anxiety. For empaths, these mirror neurons are hyperactive, meaning your nervous system doesn't just witness pain, it relives it. This phenomenon is called emotional contagion, and studies show high empathy individuals exhibit the same physiological stress markers as those they empathize with. Heart rate increases, cortisol spikes, and muscles tighten, putting your body in a state of constant activation. Imagine doing that every single day, absorbing fragments of stress, grief, and fear that aren't even yours. That's not being dramatic. That's your body working overtime. Most people process one emotional event, move on, and then reset, but empaths don't reset. We loop. We replay conversations, analyze silences, and try to find the hidden meaning behind someone's sigh. Our subconscious says, if I can understand it, I can fix it, which creates what psychologists call emotional processing fatigue. We're not tired from life itself. We're tired from interpreting it all, from holding space for everyone else's emotions while neglecting our own. It's like running background apps that never close. You don't see them, but they drain your battery just the same. That's why empaths often describe feeling old inside. It's not about age, but the weight of constant emotional download. Now, here's where science meets spirit. Your nervous system is designed for cycles of activation and recovery. Feel, process, rest, repeat. But empaths often get stuck in chronic activation, always alert to other people's moods, scanning faces, energy, and tones. This heightened awareness prevents the nervous system from fully recovering, leading to a state of chronic stress and dysregulation. This can manifest as feeling old inside, not due to physical age, but due to the weight of constant emotional download. The empathic nature, while a gift, also presents several challenges, including emotional overload, compassion fatigue, and burnout. They may experience sudden irritability, physical fatigue, social avoidance, and insomnia. Without proper boundaries and self-awareness, empaths may blame themselves for their struggles, feeling too weak or not resilient enough. To navigate these challenges, empaths need to develop coping strategies to protect their energy and well-being. Setting boundaries is crucial, learning to say no and limit exposure to overwhelming environments and people. Prioritizing self-care through activities like meditation, spending time in nature, or engaging in creative pursuits is also vital. Grounding techniques such as deep breathing, visualization, or physical exercise help stay present and connected. Practicing mindfulness allows you to observe emotions without getting swept away by them. Seeking support from other empaths or therapists who understand these challenges can provide immense relief. Embracing imperfection means recognizing it's okay not to fix everyone's problems and to prioritize your own well-being. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who radiate positive energy and foster balanced, reciprocal relationships. By implementing these strategies, empaths can harness their unique gifts without sacrificing their emotional and physical health.
If this
hit
spoke to
home,
you,
comment.
tell me in the
Taking off
comments
the mask.
who drains you
And if
and
you're
what
ready to go
boundary are
deeper
you
into the
reclaiming
art of
next.
authentic living,
And if you want to
Chapter
learn
6
how
of
to
the
detox
2
your
a.m. code
empathy
is your
and
next
rebuild
step.
your
It
boundaries,
walks you through
there's a
rebuilding
chapter on
identity
emotional
after
energy in
years
my
of
book,
adaptation.
The 2 a.m.
Next video, INFJs and the fear of being truly seen. Because once the mask drops, that's the next mountain. Until then, breathe. You're not invisible. You're just returning.